Alright, everyone, welcome to the third round. Apparently you've agreed to split, but we're still gonna play it for fun, because, I'm recording. And this hand, he's playing, alright, so he's playing first. And if I draw into mana, it'll be okay. Actually, it's kind of a little expensive for my taste, so I think I am gonna mulligan. And this works. I need mana. I do need mana for my asceticism. But and corpse curve, but I can play the others. Maybe my Black Mamba will get me there so he doesn't kill it. Oh yeah, he's playing red-white. I know, surprise. He has a Spike Shot Elder, I saw from his replays. And then just some fairly other solid cards. Okay, he's getting there. I don't know if he had a chance to see my replays. I think he's busy with his games. But yeah, he was noticed that look at metal coating. Okay, and I'd be careful because since he's playing white, I think he has had he has 2 Revoke Existences, so my asceticism isn't going to be so hot in this matchup. But let's see how far I can get. And I have a feeling this guy's not going to live long, but we'll see. Especially with the liquid metal coating. You can do so much different things with liquid metal coating. It's kind of obscene. It's galvanic. Yeah. Well, I do have corpse curve. It's still though. It sets me back. I wish I had multiple corpse curves. Something I can play? No. Not yet. Hold on. And by the time I get my corkscrew, he's gonna like shatter or revoke it or something. I'll trail it. Glimmer point. Yeah. Oh, does he have another galvanic blast? Or is he gonna try to cycle his panic spell bomb? Although I think his deck is fairly aggressive, so he may want to save that panic spell bomb. Fume Spitter. You don't really do much at this point, but... Anyways, we're playing out Corpse Cur. We're gonna bring back the Black Mamba. And Bass. He does have 1 card, so... Right, so... He's cycling. I have to remember whether he has Dispense Justice or not. I mean, he's gonna swing because that thing has Vigilance. I won't block. I think he does have an arrest, though. Alright, I want to do as much damage. Like I mentioned before, asceticism doesn't do as much. So, I'm not in a rush to play that out. And seeing as he has 1 card, I would gladly trade Glimmer Point for Corpse Cur. Right, cycling. Dispense Justice. Nope. Alright. Poison. I'll play out Black Mamba. And I can regen it. In case he has Arc Trail, which he might. Oh, it's this. Tune to Slag? Oh, Barrage Ogre. The Barrage. Yeah, he's gonna start sacking all his lands. That's gonna be fairly annoying. Kind of makes me wish to have played that asceticism out, which I think I will this time. First though, swing in. He could be willing to trade with the Glim Point Stag. Right. Yep, I'll gain 3. Now this is kind of slightly awkward. I kind of want to brew my Black Mamba out, so let me think. I would have played out my asceticism if I knew it. Yeah, I almost forgot he had Barrage Ogre with the Liquid Coating. So let's see. He'll kill that if I just play that out. So I'll wait till I have 1 more mana. You and you. All right. Yeah. I could have been a little more conservative, because then I could have played asceticism, because then he can't target that. That's unfortunate. I just have to hope to have that another land. Because once I do, then it becomes a hell of a lot easier for me. I was dumb. He had Summoning Sickness too, so. Yep. I just have to be wary now. Yep. He's thinking. He doesn't want to destroy too many of his lands, though, because then he can't cast his spells. Gonna pause here. Alright, he's doing stuff. Right, he's turning his thing to a thing. And he's gonna shoot my Black Mamba, probably. Sure. I'll cure the mirror. Yes. Snapsteel Glider. Okay. Alright, so, I can cast Asceticism now. And hope he doesn't have enchantment removal. He would definitely block if I tried swing, so, yeah. If he does have enchantment removal, I'm pretty much dead. Clone Shell. Okay, like I said, the Spike Shot Elder, but at this point he won't be able to kill any of things. Survival Replica, he doesn't have green mana. I don't know what else other bombs are in his deck. So, I don't know if he even could hit a bomb. He's mostly gonna block though. I'm sure he has some other creature, but he's probably hit something. And he could actually just sack that anyways, so to do 2 damage to a thing. Yep, I can't do anything about that. Could put a -1/-1 counter, but doesn't seem great, you know. What I got? Ah, Putrefax, lovely. Swing with Mamba. Assuming that the thing that he has doesn't fly, I could block regen. So. Yep. Right. Turn your face up. What you got? Glimmer Point. Right. It's a I would use my corpse card. Yep. At least it's coming back. I would like one more mana. If I had to, though, I could place it on my Fume Spitter and sack it. Oh my god. Oops. I had to wait to declare its blockers. Yeah. He's gonna try pinging me. Right. I'm definitely putting out, as a web spider. Yep. No. I need life staff. Yeah. Well, I took an additional 3 damage that I didn't need to. That's always fun. Hopefully my life staff will get me there somehow. Now at this point, you start swinging with everything. Well, at this point he could try pinging me with everything. But first, might as well get this bad boy out and equip him. And swing with him. Blocks. I could have waited. I mean, I could have waited to try if he wanted to try alpha swinging to me, but yeah, I had to get kind of aggressive, I feel. God, I hate that Fume Spit on display. He's gonna block it. Nope. It's not. Oh. Fairly risky. Yep, I have to sack him. Now game 3. Yep. Gonna shoot me for 2, so. Freaking Fume Spit in misplay. What else? I'm just gonna. I don't know. It is kind of close because he's very close to, you know, just alpha striking against me and killing me. So he was kind of wary. But then he's wary about swinging back. He's swinging back. Right. Okay. Well, so now he has to block. And at this point I feel pretty comfortable. I'm going to start regenerating stuff. Because I can, now this is weakening his creatures, so. Despair. Yep. Right. Blockers. Let's see. This is still kind of close. I'm kind of worried that he will ping me to death. Let's see. Still swing in. He's gonna block with his Silver Mirror and probably do 2 damage to me. He's gonna have to block with something else also, though, so I'll kill one of his other creatures. Yep. He could have a Galvanic Blast and kill me. But, till then, it's kind of close. He have Galvanic Blast, and yeah, like I said, Galvanic Blast, he could sack and do 2 damage to me. So this is why I was kind of concerned that I probably could have let my dude die. One of my dudes die. It's going on Barrage Ogre. Actually gonna I'm gonna try to let my probably one of my guys die. Depending on what I draw. So let's see. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna let one of my guys die. My Black Mamba die. Because I'm getting actually low on life. So, he has to block all of them. Yep. 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 And I'm actually gonna let it die this time. And drop a forest down. So he needs like creatures, but he can see it. So, contagious nymph. So, alright, what else? So yeah, like I said, fairly standard red white. Good amount of removal. I was lucky he didn't get any of his enchantment removal. I'm pretty sure he has some. So, could play that a little tighter, but there you go. Red white. Let's see. Anything? I don't think so. He doesn't have any flyers. He does have, he does not have the scrap motor. I was thinking about whether I should sub out the heavy arbalist or not. Yeah. One more time. If it doesn't work out, I'll sub it back in. I have 2 more games. Let me just make sure though. Yeah. Yeah, fairly standard. Right.